Hey guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm here to teach you guys about um, so we're gonna learn about microbit. So what is microbit? Microbit is a small computer board that can be programmed to perform many tasks. It is often used in schools to introduce students to coding, logical thinking, and problem solving, even though it is small. Microbit can display images, sense movement, and communicate with other devices. So, if you may ask, who developed Microbit, or who developed it? So first, it is created by the BBC or British Broadcasting Corporation and supported by companies like Microsoft and Samsung. And it is made to help students learn coding around the world. So the main features is Microbit has many useful features. It has a 555 LED matrix that can show numbers, letters, and symbols. It also has two buttons that can be used to control programs. There are sensors to detect movement, temperatures, and light. In addition, Microbit has Bluetooth, so it can connect wirelessly to other devices. So, if you may ask, what can we make? Is it useful? Well, yes. Like I said, it is very useful. Well, if we go into what can we make, there's a digital clock. Microbit can be programmed to show the current time on LED screen. This project helps students learn how to use loops and times function in coding. Second, the step counter. By using the motion sensors, Microbit can count how many steps a person takes while walking. This while walking. This teaches how sensors work and how data is processed. Third is simple games. Students can create simple games such as reaction games or guessing games using buttons and LED lights. This makes learning coding more fun and interactive. Fourth is alarm and compass. Microbit can be used as an alarm that gives sound or light signals, and also a digital compass to show directions. This project introduced real-life application of programming and sensors. That's all. What can we make? I think I could show on before. Next, I'm gonna go to the next. Okay, so the benefits of the microbit is very useful for learning learning because it makes coding more fun, more interesting, and interactive. Students do not only write code on a screen, but they can also see the result directly on the device. This helps them learn logic, creativity, and basics electronics at the same time. So, microbit can be really fun for students who really want to learn. Like, you can really make a robot, maybe like a robot that follows a line, a RC, or we can use our laptop as a remote controller to move our microbit, microbit and robot. So it is an interesting to learn about them. It's okay if you don't want to learn about them. We're gonna go to the next. And media and creativity. In the presentation, we can use pictures of the microbit, diagrams of its part, and short videos used showing how it works. Animation and simple demos can make the explanation clearer and more interactive for the audience. Well, the conclusion is microbit is very small tool, but it is a very powerful tool. You can see itself if you want to see how small its microbit looks, but it is very powerful. As I said earlier, for learning coding and technology, it is very easy to use. Even it is fun, very fun to use, and very helpful for students who want to understand how computers and electronics devices work in real life. So, thank you very much for seeing this video. I hope you all enjoy it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.